Hi, my name is Tim Litzow, and I teach 5th grade math at Linton Springs Elementary School. Today we're going to look at a very familiar algorithm to many of you, and that is a standard algorithm for division. Now, we've learned many other strategies and algorithms so far, and this is kind of the final one, okay? Some of you may think it's the most effective, and for your students, some of them will think it's the most effective and efficient strategy. So, let's head right into it. So I have our problem written horizontally. I'm going to start by rewriting the problem. So 5,745 divided by 12. Now, it's important that you say the problem correctly. So when students see a problem like this, a lot of times they say 12 divided by 5,745. That's not the appropriate way to say this. We're taking 5,745 and we're dividing it into 12 parts. So our first step is 12 goes into 5 how many times? Well, it goes in no times. So instead of just having your student put an X above this, I'm going to encourage you to put a 0 on top of this number. The reason we do that is when we get to division of decimals, if a student puts an X there, they may get a decimal answer that looks like this, 0.x75. Well, that's not an appropriate way to write a decimal. So I'm going to encourage you to have your student write a 0 if a number cannot fit inside. Okay? So 12 goes into 57. We know that can happen because 57 is bigger than 12, and that's going to go in 4 times, which is minus 48, which gives us 9. Now, the next step is to bring down our next number. We know 12 can't go into 9, so we need a little help. So we're going to bring down the 4. 12 goes into 94 7 times, which is 84. Really nice subtraction problem there. So 94 minus 84 is simply 10. And then, yet again, 12 can't go into 10. So we bring down our final number, which is 5. 12 goes into 105 8 times, which is 96, which gives us 9. So, our answer, or our quotient, we're going to encourage students to use, is at the top. So, our quotient is 478, remainder 9. Now, many of you have probably had a student do all the steps right and get the answer wrong. So, we're going to encourage our students in Carroll County to go back and check. And we're going to use multiplication. So, 478 times our original divisor, which is 12. And we're going to work this out. So 2 times 8 is 16. Put our placeholder. We're going to add this up. And we get this. Now a lot of students are going to say, oh no, I messed up. It doesn't match my answer or my dividend. So the students need to keep in mind there's one more step to solving this problem and checking it. And that's the remainder. So we have 9 left over in this problem. So we're going to go ahead and take that 9 and we're going to add it back on. So when we add 9 back onto our problem, we get 5,745. Which is the correct answer. So, keep in mind, students need to keep their columns straight, and they need to double check their answer using multiplication, and if need be, they need to add that remainder back on. So, I hope this efficient, tried and true strategy helps you at home. Have a great day.